Hey guys. You are watching me finish up the banana cream pie that I have for Feast of Unleavened Bread. And it's a perfect thing to have for a dessert during this time because the pie crust is actually unleavened and the inside filling is made with, it's a custard basically. So the pie is covered in bananas, and I went off on my husband because he ate one of my bananas and I said I needed it when I actually don't. So now I'm over here stuck eating an extra banana so that he won't know that I didn't actually need it. So we won't tell him that, and we won't let him watch this broadcast right here either. But it's looking kind of plain, so I'm gonna put maybe some chocolate shards on there or something like that. But I just want to let you guys know. And also my oven is broken, so you can see in here some of the pie crust got kind of dark, so I scraped it. And the new oven is coming actually tomorrow. But yeah, my workstation has unleavened film on it, so I will clean that up. But hope you guys are doing good. Shalom, family. Bye.